everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your music instrument rental business. For example, you have a music instrument rental business in where your customers can book appointment, track delivery timelines, as well as know about the product safety. Responding each and every customer manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your customer send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your music instrument rental business, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your clients instantly. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of music instrument rental business, hi, or instead of any message you can send, here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Welcome to Music Instrument Rental Service, your one-stop shop for renting quality instrument, fast, affordable and hassle-free. Whether you are a beginner, a pro or just need something, we have got you covered. How can I help you today? While providing me 3 different options, that is equipment booking, delivery timelines and product safety. If I'll click on equipment booking, then you can see it will respond to me like this while providing me one Yamaha P45 digital piano, including their rental price and one button, that is book now button. If I'll click on this, then you can see it will ask me for my address. Here I am giving them one test address. Here I provided. After that you can see it will respond to me like this, that booking confirmed. Thank you for booking a Yamaha P45 digital piano with music instrument rental service. Our team will connect with you soon for further details. Now if I'll click on delivery timelines, then you can see it will respond to me like this while providing me all delivery time slots and delivery charges. If I'll click on product safety, then you can see it will respond to me like this. At the end of this video, we are going to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for your music instrument rental businesses. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. See, these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their user. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. When you click on this, it will provide you 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, it will ask you for Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also add multiple folders, while in this home section you can see the active status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contact, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once, and it is also used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow, in where you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in where you can train AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer common questions. The ninth one is the activity log, in where you can see all the events and the action you have performed within last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings, and the 11th one is the get help. I am creating WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the flow option. So this is the flow builder page, where you can see your total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am clicking on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our music instrument rental business, so here I am providing a name. Here I write it. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use this button in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button, your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keyword, the second is regex, and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that was started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to the any message of your client that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account of music instrument rental. Now I want to write one welcome message for my client. For that I am clicking on this text button. It will provide me one message box. I'll drag this box here and writing a welcome message. Here I write it. While at the end of this you can see I'll ask my client that how can I help you today. So for answering this I am providing them some buttons by clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first button as equipment booking. The second button I'll write as delivery timelines, and the third button I'll write as product safety. Here I write it. After that I'll connect the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote for my client. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here our flow starting point is connected to our message. Now if my client wants to book an equipment, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that I am taking one media button. It will provide me one message box. I'll drag this box here, select media type as image and upload one image of equipment that are available in my music instrument rental business. By clicking on this and upload it from my gallery. Here you can see the image is uploaded successfully. Now I am writing some details about this, including their rental price. For that I am clicking on this plus add content button, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write some details about this equipment. You can also enter caption in this enter caption box. Here I write it. Now after that I am providing them one button for booking this equipment. For that I am clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I can write my button as book now. Here I write it. Now after that I'll connect the circle which are present in front of equipment booking to this message I write it here. It is connected. Now if my clients wants to book this piano in my music instrument rental business, then they will click on this book now button, so my bot will respond to them. At first I am going to ask them about their address. For that I am clicking on this action option, choose button as ask question. It will provide me one question box where I can write the question as please provide your address. Here I write it. You can see I write this sentence in this asterisk symbol because with the help of this symbol this message will go to the WhatsApp account of my clients in the bold format. Now in the select contact custom field, I'll select as address. I already created this field before. If you want to know how to create a contact custom field into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Here I'll select format as text. Number of attempt I'll give as 1, and you can write any validation message in this enter validation message box. Now I am connecting this circle which are present in front of book now to this message. Here it is connected. After that, when my clients will provide me their address, then I want to write one respond message for them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my respond message. Here I write it. Now after that, the second option is the delivery timelines. If my clients wants to know about the delivery timelines, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write all the delivery timelines that are available in my music instrument rental business. Here I write it. After that, the third one is the product safety. If my clients wants to know about the product safety, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. You can also select button directly from there also. Here I am writing some details about the quality and the product safety that I am providing to my clients. Here I write it. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your music instrument rental business. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. This bot will automatically respond to your clients like this. It is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.